Very good morning, dear guys. Today we are going to continue the story A Triumph of Surgery. Triumph of Surgery, as we have seen there, Tricky, the pet dog, was severely ill. So his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, called for the doctor, the veterinary doctor, James Herriot. So James Herriot, as the call was expected, he had made some plans in advance. So he took the dog to his surgery accordingly, and then let's see what happens. Up to here we have seen. So now look at the surgery. As we have seen, Dr. James Herriot, the vet, James Herriot took the dog to his surgery. Let's see the treatment what he gave. At the surgery, the household dogs surged round me. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. So look at what happened when the writer, means the speaker, James Herriot, took Tricky to his surgery. So at the surgery, what happened? There were many household dogs, or what can I say, other household dogs, other household dogs were there. Okay, other household dogs were there. So what happened there? When he came to the surgery with the dog Tricky, other dogs which were there, they all surged round. Surged round means they gathered around James Herriot. And when they gathered around, Tricky looked down at the noisy pack. Pack means the group of dogs. So, and they all were barking, yes, making noise. So here Tricky just looked down at the noisy pack of the dogs. वो जो dogs का noisy pack था, सिर्फ उनकी तरफ उसने देखा. And when he put down with his dull eyes, अपनी dull eyes के साथ, as he has no strength in him, उसमें कोई ताकत ही नहीं बची थी, he was severely ill. So with such dull eyes, he looked down at the pack of dogs, and then when Tricky was put down, जब James Herriot ने उसे नीचे रखा, so what happened there? He lay motionless on the carpet. He lay motionless. Motionless means he did not move. बिल्कुल भी मूव नहीं करता है, जहां रखा वहीं रह जाता है. So then what happened there? The other dogs, after sniffing round him, sniffing, sungna, yes, sungna, sniffing, they sniffed round him for few seconds. कुछ सेकंड के लिए उन्होंने उसके आसपास सूंघना किया, मतलब आसपास घूमे, उसको सूंघे. And then the other dogs decided he was an uninteresting object. And why they decided that it was an uninteresting object? Because he had no strength in him. He was motionless there on the carpet, and that's why other dog decided that he was an uninteresting object, and that's why they all ignored him and went away. Ignored him, उसको ignore करके वहां से वो चले जाते हैं. And then what happens? Look at I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. So now the doctor James Herriot started giving him his treatment. First of all, he made a bed for him. In a warm, loose box. एक वार्म बढ़िया गर्म सा एक लूज ढीला ढाला जो बॉक्स था, उस बॉक्स में उसके लिए एक बेड बनाया, जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू द वन वेयर अदर डॉग्स स्लेप्ट, बिल्कुल जहां अदर डॉग्स होते थे उसके बिल्कुल बाजू में इसके लिए एक घर बना दिया, एक बेड बना दिए। ओके, एंड देन फॉर 2 days 2 दिन तक I kept an eye on him. The writer, that means Dr. James Herriot kept an eye on him for 2 days. Kept an eye means he observed the dog. He watched the dog for 2 days. For 2 days, giving him no food but plenty of water. Okay, look at that. The treatment, how he cured the dog, the treatment given by the doctor. Understand here. He made a bed for him in the warm loose box just next to the box where the other dogs were living or other dogs were sleeping, and then he gave him nothing except plenty of water for 2 days and kept watch on him. ओके, सिर्फ उसकी तरफ ध्यान देते गए एंड जस्ट गिव हिम प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर, बहुत सारा पानी देते गए, बट नॉट अ सिंगल पीस ऑफ फूड. यस, एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड एट द एंड ऑफ द सेकेंड डे, ओके, लुक एट द हियर, यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट he gave him no food but plenty of water for 2 days. So this was the treatment given by the doctor. Okay, the doctor gave him no food but plenty of water for 2 days, and then what happened at the end of the second day, what happened? He started to show some interest in his surroundings. Look at there now, the motionless, the tired, yes, the listless dog now started showing his interest in his surroundings. 2 दिन के बाद अब उसने अपना इंटरेस्ट दिखाना शुरू किया, and on the third day, तीसरे दिन, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. Began to whimper means घूरना, crying, low sound, जो dogs घूरते हैं. He started whimpering. Yes, he started whimpering when he heard the other dogs in the yard. बाकी यार्ड्स को मतलब बाकी डॉग्स को जैसे वो यार्ड में उनकी आवाज़ सुनता था, he started whimpering. Yes, he started barking, though in low voice, but he started barking. The third day, तीसरे दिन उसने बार्क करना शुरू किया. Yes, look at the improvement in his health. Improvement in his health. And when I opened the door, the third day, when he opened the door, Tricky trotted out. Look at there, who was motionless, not moving from his place. Now he trotted out means he ran out of the box, means the bed where he was kept. When the doctor James Herriot opened the door of his bed or of his house or his place where he was kept, what happened there? The dog Tricky ran out, rushed out, and was immediately engulfed by Joe the greyhound and his friends. And as soon as he came out of the box, what happened there? He was immediately engulfed. Engulfed means surrounded by Joe, the another dog of greyhound. It is one of the breeds of dog. So there was another dog named Joe. So when Tricky came out of his box, He was immediately surrounded by Joe and his friends. जो और उसके जो बाकी दोस्त थे, बाकी दोस्त जो डॉग्स थे, उनके द्वारा वो एनगल्फ हुआ, उसको बाकी लोगों ने सराउंड किया. And after rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Yes, after rolling him over means उसको रोल करते हुए उसके आसपास घूमते हुए, and then thoroughly inspecting him, उसको इंस्पेक्ट करने के बाद, the all dogs moved off down the garden. They all moved off down the garden. फिर नीचे के गार्डन में वो चले गए. And then Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. And Tricky also followed them. Tricky followed them to the ground. Yes, to the garden. Though he had his surplus fat. Surplus means hugely fatness. Okay, उसका जो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा हुआ था, उस फैटनेस को सरप्लस कहा जाएगा. ओके, दैट सरप्लस फैट जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा हुआ था, उस फैटनेस के साथ, उस चर्बी के साथ ही मूव्ड डाउन टू द गार्डन. ओके, गार्डन की ओर उनके साथ वो गया. देन लेटर दैट डे, उसी दिन बाद में क्या हुआ, दैट थर्ड डे, व्हाट हैपन, आई वॉज प्रेजेंट एट फीडिंग टाइम. द डॉक्टर वॉज प्रेजेंट एट फीडिंग टाइम के समय वो वहाँ मौजूद था. अब देखो उसने और कैसे उसको ट्रीट किया. ओके, आई वॉच्ड व्हाइल Tristan slobbed the food into the bowl. Tristan, the another dog. Okay, first one is Tricky. Okay, Tricky we have seen, then Joe, and now Tristan. Tristan is not a dog, but Tristan is the servant. Okay, servant at the surgery. Okay, एक servant का नाम है Tristan, who was there in the surgery. Okay, so what happened there? Tristan, the servant, served the food into the bowls. Served. Okay, slope means serve. Tristan served. Tristan, an attendant, we can say, an attendant of James Herriot. Okay, Tristan. You can write here, or you can write in your copy for understanding. Okay, Tristan, an attendant. Okay, Tristan, an attendant of Herriot. Okay, attendant of Herriot. So here, what happened there? Tristan served food to the into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush, followed by the sounds of high-speed eating. So it was usual. Usual means हर दिन होने वाला, जो same जैसे हर दिन होता था. All the dogs rushed headlong. बिल्कुल जैसे डॉग्स भोजन देख के कैसे दौड़ लगाते हैं, सेम all the dogs rushed headlong towards the bowls, and the rush was followed by the sounds of high speed eating. बड़ा खाने का. एंड यू नो बेटर कि डॉग जब खाना खाता है तब कैसी आवाज़ आती है उनकी ज़बान की. अगर पता होगा तो समझ सकते हो, उनकी जबान की बहुत आवाज आती है, चप 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 चप. सो सेम देयर, the rush was followed by the sound of high speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. That means every dog at the surgery very well knew that if he left behind or fell behind eating his food, other dogs would come to finish his food, and that's why they all were eating their food in their bowls so fast. Yes, फास्टली, एकदम फास्ट वो अपना भोजन खत्म कर रहे थे, क्योंकि उनको पता था कि अगर वो पीछे छूट गए तो बाकी और वहाँ कंपटीशन बढ़ जाएगा उनका भोजन खत्म करने में, क्योंकि डॉग का पता ही होगा अपना बाउल का खत्म हुआ तो दूसरे के बाउल के ऊपर झड़प मारते हैं. सेम देयर, ऑल द डॉग्स न्यू वेरी वेल दैट, एंड दैट्स व्हाई they all were eating their food fast. Okay, and then let's see what happened there. When they had finished their food, जब उन्होंने अपना फूड पूरा फिनिश कर दिया, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls. Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls. Look at there, the writer has used there the word shining bowls. Why? Because the bowls were cleaned. The dogs had eaten even a single piece of food. Nothing was there. They have even cleaned the bowls. And that's why here the writer has used here the word shining bowls. मतलब जैसे चकाचक धोकर रखे हुए. एक्चुअली धोकर चकाचक नहीं थे वो, डॉग्स ने खाना खाकर इतना चकाचक खा लिए थे कि बाउल जैसे कि साफ करी हो. Yes, and that's why here the writer has used shining bowls. Okay, now what happened? All the food was finished by the dogs. Now there was Tricky. अब सबने तो फटाफट खत्म कर दिए थे, अब बचा कौन? Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls. अब वो जो शाइनिंग बाउल्स, जो एम्प्टी बाउल्स थे, उनके आसपास राउंड लेता है, licking casually inside one or two of them. licking जबान से चाटते हुए. yes, licking casually inside one or two of them. एक या दो बाउल्स में से चाट कर देखा कुछ मिल जाए. Then next day, but that day he had nothing to eat. उस दिन उसे कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है. क्यों? Because the other dogs had finished the food served by Tristan. Next day an extra bowl was put out for him. अब दूसरे दिन इसके लिए एक एक्स्ट्रा बाउल वहाँ रखी गई. Yes, for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. Yes, next day, that means the fourth day. On the fourth day, what happened there? Tricky was jostling his way towards the एक्स्ट्रा बाउल. जो एक्स्ट्रा बाउल रखा गया था उसकी तरफ जाने के लिए बाकी डॉग्स के साथ वो जोशल कर रहा था. जोशल मीन्स पुशिंग देम अवे, पुश कर रहा था उन लोग को टू गेट हिज वे टू द बाउल की तरफ बढ़ने के लिए बाकी डॉग्स को वो पुश कर रहा था. दैट मीन्स ही गॉट स्ट्रेंथ बैक. स्ट्रेंथ बैक. अब उसकी स्ट्रेंथ वापस आ रही थी. नाउ ही वॉज कॉम्पीटिंग विद अदर डॉग्स. बाकी डॉग्स के साथ वो कॉम्पीट कर रहा था. यस, ही वॉज जोसलिंग देम टू गेट हिज वे टू द बाउल. ऑन व्हाट डे? द नेक्स्ट डे. दैट मीन्स द फोर्थ डे. ओके, द फोर्थ डे द इम्प्रूवमेंट वॉज देयर. दिस इम्प्रूवमेंट, ये जो इम्प्रूवमेंट यहाँ दिखा रहा है वो चौथे दिन का है. ओके, देन फ्रॉम देन ऑन, और उस दिन के बाद से क्या हुआ? हिज प्रोग्रेस वॉज रैपिड. मतलब जो भी प्रोग्रेस उसमें हुआ, उसकी हेल्थ में जो भी इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ, इट वॉज रैपिड. सो फास्ट इट वॉज. बहुत तेजी से उसके अंदर में इम्प्रूवमेंट होने लगे. एंड ही हैड नो मेडिसिनल ट्रीटमेंट. As I told you in the introduction, he had not given him even a single medicine. He just gave him plenty of water and other treatment that we have seen now. Yes, no food, plenty of water. Then third day, open the door. Yes, he went out, came out of the box. Other dogs gathered around him. He went on with them in the garden. Then food was served in the bowl. He left behind, but he started licking the bowls. Then fourth day he ran, he jostled other dogs to get his way to his bowl. So this way there was rapid. Then thereafter there was rapid improvement in him. And then look at what happened. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs. No medicinal treatment, but just running around, roaming with the other dogs, the other household dogs at the surgery. Then what happened? Joining in their friendly scrimmages, that means confusing struggle. Okay, जो भी struggle dogs में आपस में जो play होते हैं, उनके आपस में जो खेल खेलते हैं, that is called here scrimmages. So he was joining them. He started joining them. He started playing with them. Okay. Then he discovered the joys of being bowled over. Okay, bowl. Then what happened there? He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on and squashed every few minutes. That means he was enjoying now. He started enjoying bowled over, then squash on, tramped on. Yes, उसके ऊपर जो बाकी डॉग्स कूदते थे, मसलते थे, उसके कूदना मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ मस्ती करना. He all started enjoying with other dogs. बाकी डॉग्स के साथ भी एंजॉय करने लगा. Yes, bowled over, rolling over, एक दूसरे के ऊपर रोल होना, बॉल फेंकना एक दूसरे के ऊपर. Then means what we can say, the play, the games the dogs were playing. He started playing with them. These games. Then he became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew. Look at there. Then he became the accepted member of the gang. Look at there, another word is used there. Gang of dogs. Okay, and then again there is description of the dog and the dog Tricky and other dogs. The dog Tricky has a silken hair, silky little object. Yes, silken hair he had. While the other dogs were shaggy, rough. ऐसे अजीबो गरीब, साफ सुथरे उतने नहीं थे. But he was silky. As we know that he was living a luxurious life. His mistress was rich enough to give him all those facilities, and that's why he was silky. While the other dogs were shaggy. But crew again, another group word. Okay, collecting noun. So means here the group of dogs was called here crew. So here the dog Tricky became the accepted member of the shaggy dogs, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times. Fighting like tiger. Yes, for his share at meal times, and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. Look at there. He started even hunting at night. Yes, hunting rats. अब rats की भी hunt करने लगा at night in the old hen house जो भी था उसमें. And he had never had such a time in his life. उसके लाइफ में कभी भी उसने ऐसे अच्छे दिन नहीं देखा था. Who? Tricky. Yes, Tricky had never seen such a life at the house of his owner. But here he had seen such a life which he would never forget. Yes, so this way he was recovered. The remaining part we will see in our next video lecture. Okay guys, so I stop myself here. Keep watching the videos and enjoy the classes. Okay, bye bye, see you soon.